Dubai Medical Tourism, in association with Dubai Health Authority, brought to you by Al Zahra Hospital of Dubai. Dubai's hospitality sector is all set to cater to the world's leading destination for medical tourism. Medical tourism packages were rolled out last year to attract more tourists and residents. For tourists, the packages include hotel stay and flight tickets, and for residents, discounted rates for certain medical services. The world-class facilities offered to the tourist are attractive and cost-effective. The hotels in Dubai are clean, luxurious and safe. The modern diet of the United Arab Emirates is cosmopolitan, featuring dishes from around the world. Visitors arrive in the country, influencing its sophisticated and innovative food culture. Hospitality is one of the key words which attracts the tourist to Dubai. The quality service offered to the patients are done with care. Apart from the peaceful accommodation, some hotels are providing tourist packages to explore the beauty of the city. Pick and drop from the airport and hospitals are also available. Renting cars for the tourist is also an added attraction for the tourist. 24/7 Wi-Fi facilities, room keepers, clean water are always best in Dubai. Dubai is one of the most visited destinations in the world and is fast emerging as a medical tourism destination as well. Also known as the healthcare city, Dubai has a vast number of highly qualified medical professionals and well-known health facilities, in addition to a large number of quality clinical and health services. Al Zahra Hospital Dubai has been designed and developed to provide premium medical care and comfort with modern equipment and a team of professional doctors.
We are actually part of the Dubai Medical Tourism Initiative, which is launched by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid, Vice President of Dubai and Vice President of the UAE and the ruler of Dubai, with the vision of having 500,000 medical tourists in Dubai by 2020. So all the efforts from Dubai Health Authority have been integrated with the private hospital providers, among which Al Zahra Hospital was there, to establish the Medical Tourism Club. And the Medical Tourism Club of Dubai is formed and run mainly by Dubai Health Authority and the major private hospitals in Dubai to achieve the vision of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid.
Dubai Medical Tourism, in association with Dubai Health Authority, brought you by Al Zahra Hospital of Dubai.
In fact, Dubai as a destination is now put on the top list of all the world cities, and the amount and number of patients coming to Dubai from different parts of the world is increasing day after day. For us in Al Zahra Hospital, we do provide a lot of services for international patients, including executive checkups, including cosmetology, including plastic surgery, rhinoplasties, bariatric surgery and weight management surgeries, knee surgeries and sports injury services. And this has been provided since the hospital started. We have already a panel of doctors and nurses and medical supports that provide the comprehensive service, and the panel of doctors are, all of them are Western trained and Western qualified. The nurses come from different parts of the world, and they are all known for their competencies and clinical skills.
Al Zahra offers specialized services in cardiology, ENT, endoscopy, general surgery, orthopedics, and many more.
As part of Al Zahra Hospital Group, we started in Al Zahra Hospital in Sharjah 34 years back, and it was the first private hospital in the whole UAE. And when the mother company established the hospital in Dubai, one of the objectives was to support the growing medical tourism in Dubai. So we started 2013, and we have a panel of doctors who are Western trained and Western qualified, coming from different parts of the world, along with a very high-skilled and competent nursing team. The hospital has all the medical support needed in forms of imaging department like MRIs, CTs, ultrasounds, as well as the advanced facilities for laboratory investigations. So we try to reserve some of the beds for the medical tourists. Currently we run about 100 beds, and the full capacity of the hospital, which is 200 beds, is going to be achieved by the end of 2016. We allocate about 10% of our beds for medical tourists, and we see approximately about 1,500 to 2,000 international patients every month. Out of them, we perform some procedures on about 15 to 20 procedures a month in different specialties in the hospital.
The team of doctors and nurses have immense experience in their respective speciality. All the doctors have global recognition and accreditations, and each team member believes in empathetic listening and performing their actions accordingly.
Patients normally come from different parts of the world, but mainly from the GCC, including from Saudi Arabia, from Oman, from Kuwait, as well as some patients come from Africa, especially Nigeria, Somalia, and some patients also come from East Europe, from Russia and Ukraine. So we are seeing increasing number of patients from these parts of the world, And we plan certain expansions in our services. So in addition to the traditional services and all the major medical and surgical specialties, we are starting the first Gamma Knife center in the whole United Arab Emirates. It will be running by the end of 2015. And the purpose of that is to provide brain radio tactic surgery for patients who need it, who currently leave Dubai and leave the UAE to get this treatment from abroad. We are also expanding our services on cancer services, so we'll have an integrated cancer center by 2016, and we are expanding our service also on the women's health and including all the new and recent techniques in birthing techniques like water birthing and hypnobirthing. We target to have some contribution towards the achievement of the Dubai vision of having 500 tourists by 2020, and we are growing our numbers in the medical tourists day after day, as I mentioned before. One of the things that we usually do in order to leverage the Dubai as a supported environment is to tie with different hotel service providers in order to provide recreational services for the relatives of the patients, and also to provide them with some touch of Dubai. And normally we do this with major hotels like Atlantis, Media Rotana and Millennium.
International Patients Unit Care is well equipped with experienced doctors and medical experts.
The efforts to enhance the medical tourism initiative of Dubai is a comprehensive effort done by Dubai Health Authority, and we are partnering with them in this regard. So Dubai Health Authority, Dubai Immigration Department to facilitate medical tourist visas, Emirates Airlines to facilitate the transfer and transport of patients across the different destinations they go for. Also, different hotels here, we coordinate with them in order to provide recreational packages for the families of the patients. We also provide them with a full transport service from the time they arrive in the airport until the time they go back home, including signature limousine services and other services. We provide them with some recreational tours in Dubai as well. So it becomes more of a wellness destination and a travel destination to utilize whatever we have here in Dubai to promote the medical tourism initiative.
All the patient rooms are designed to give utmost comfort while the patient is at the hospital. It also has VIP rooms designed to give the essence of luxury. Al Zahra Dubai strives to provide the highest standards of quality care with the healing touch.
So this is a 1 billion dirham hospital project, and it's a very modern and recent facility located at the Sheikh Zayed Road on a prime location in Barsha area. It is very accessible both from Dubai International Airport as well as from the new Al Maktoum Airport, being in the center between both airports, and that provides easy access to all those medical tourists who want to come to Al Zahra Hospital in Dubai.
Dubai Medical Tourism, in association with Dubai Health Authority, brought to you by Al Zahra Hospital of Dubai. Dubai London Clinic and Specialty Hospital offers all the services for medical tourism. For international patients, the hospital will make all the necessary arrangements for the patient and their relatives, including visa assistance, hotel accommodation, consultation and/or admission, and airport transfers, etc.
I would say that international medical tourism development, as defined by the Dubai government, is a natural progression on other initiatives which were developed in Dubai and proved to be very successful. Dubai is a business center of the area, it's a tourist destination, it is a place with a very strong and advanced infrastructure. So it does make sense that the health service, which is a very developed activity in Dubai, is also brought to the international standards. Last year, Dubai government initiated necessary accreditation of the Dubai health authorities with the international accredited bodies to secure and guarantee the quality of the health provision. And the natural progression of all these activities is really to start promoting international medical tourism to Dubai. Dubai offers so many facilities, starting with actually climate. We do find it warm and humid, but that is a perfect climate for recuperation after some of the medical and surgical procedures. Facilities of the place are such to offer not only direct medical service, but also many other activities which people coming to Dubai, whether they are patients or whether they follow patients or whether they accompany them, can indulge in. Dubai provides facility for shopping, for general tourism. Very developed infrastructure of the place makes it really easily accessible from many points in the world. So it is natural that while developing natural medical tourism, Dubai can also offer so many activities which are associated with medical tourism.
Dubai Hospital is one of the more established clinics here and has been in operation since 1987, making it one of the oldest private clinics. It is well established and has had areas of specializations across the entire medical fields. At present, we have been concentrating more on general surgical, gynecological, orthopedic and plastic surgical procedures here. We've got a very well equipped suite of operation rooms with a state-of-the-art endoscopy unit.
Plenty of success stories also to share, that we are in the forefront of gynecological advanced laparoscopy education. I am a faculty and the head of the training institute at University of Oldenburg, Pius Hospital, Germany. So our technology and our expertise is impeccably exclusive. So thereby we have a lot of patients who have had exclusive and successful surgeries done here at Dubai London Specialty Hospital. Dubai London Clinic and Specialty Hospital is located in Jumeirah on the main road, easily accessible from the airport and other key points of Dubai, in addition to two other specialist outpatient clinics which form the part of the Dubai London Clinic group, one of them very close to the airport and the other one on Al Wasl Road to provide treatment for the people in that area.
I'd like to assure people who want to come here for surgeries that we have extremely well-trained staff, very well-equipped operating theatres, backed with good pathology, radiology and laboratory services, and post-operative care which is also excellent. Patients would be happy to have their surgeries here, and the follow-up services can also be done quite easily, either here in Dubai or wherever they come from. And quite often this could be done in liaison with their own doctors back home.
Dubai London Hospital was established in 1987 as one of the first facilities of that kind. This year, that means we celebrate 28 years of existence, and I'm proud to say that not many medical institutions of that time exist today. We survived because we were always at the forefront of the quality medical treatment, as well as very sophisticated organization. There were various stages in developments of the clinic, from the outpatient clinic to the specialty hospital, which we are at the moment, following always needs and trends that exist in this country. I welcome everyone to come and visit us at the hospital, to see our facility, to see our organization and welcoming spirit, and to experience what we call care without compromise.
Dubai Medical Tourism, in association with Dubai Health Authority, brought you by Al Zahra Hospital of Dubai.